I'm really messy. So this is gonna be a clear representation of me. It's already like a mess. Look at it. Probably ruined it. Oh my God. I'm so excited about Create This Book 3, and this is the second video that I've done, and you can check out the beginning when I painted and colored the cover and the back and did a little bit of the inside, but not major. So in here I'm gonna finish off where I left on my previous video, and also I'm gonna try to do some other pages and see how much of the book I can get done in this video. This is like scary but exciting. Oh my God. I've never done anything like this before, drawing on prompts. I always like draw on pieces of paper. As you can see, I just got a lot of sketches that I've done with the ideas, because I usually sketch when I'm chilling and relaxing. So I just get an idea and start thinking about the prompts, and it's like, oh, okay, I could do that. So I start sketching it out. So you will see that most of the prompts in the book, there's going to be sketched out first of all. And let me know if you want to see my sketches before I draw them onto the book or not. I'm not too sure, because as I said, I've never done this before. So I'm not sure which way I should be going. But let's see. And I hope you ain't gonna enjoy what I'm gonna do on this video. And if you do, make sure you subscribe, because I want to do this. I want to draw on Create This Book 3 on a regular basis. So the videos hopefully are gonna come out fairly regularly. Because as you can see, I've got a lot of sketches and there's a lot of ideas at the moment. So there's quite a few pages that I can do, but it takes a long time to draw and color and do the rest. So bear with me. And also I'm really messy. I'm really messy. So this is going to be a clear representation of me. It's already like a mess. Look at it. Probably ruined it. But let me know if you think that I've ruined it. Well, whatever, you can see later. But I'm gonna zip it. It's gonna stop faffing about, and I'm gonna crack on and see how much of the book I can do on this video. I'll see you later. Let's start the book. Oh my God, I'm so excited about this. And on the first page, I always see a lot of people doing all these drawings of like different characters all together. And I thought, oh, I'm gonna make my own. So that's why I created this page this way, and then I started colouring it. The problem that I have is just that I get bored. And yeah, and I attempted a few times, but I'm actually pleased that I managed to finish this. And then I coloured it, and the highlights and the lowlights actually bring it to life. And I'm really pleased on how it turned up. And then what I wanted to do, I wanted to make it look as if the unicorn drew it. So I've got a sketch of my unicorn, and I just traced it because I've been lazy on that day. And I thought, oh, this is going to be quick and easy. And I'm going to trace the unicorn. And the reason why I've done it on a piece of paper as well is because I wanted to use the alcohol markers, but I didn't want the page to bleed through. But then silly and messy me proceeded on creating a background directly onto the book. So it did bleed through a little bit. Never mind. Never mind. I'm currently going in order now. It won't last very long. But anyway, I found this phrase online and I absolutely loved it. If you're feeling sad, go create, because art is magical and it will make everything a little bit better. And I thought, yeah, spot on. And this should be like the mantra for the book. And I loved it. And I proceeded and decorated like really simply. I just did some flowers and I thought I just go with the flow and just relax and just do some doodles and see what comes up. And oh, that was so much fun. I'm really enjoying the whole process of thinking. And it's really great because the more you think about it and the more ideas you get. And I was actually surprised because I was like, oh, I would never be able to think about something to do. And I actually have, and my sketches are growing, which is great because it means that hopefully I'm going to finish the book at some point. Yeah, and then I decorated the page at the front. I carried on the theme with the little flowers and yeah, just made it pop a little bit. But yeah, that's it. I decorated the next page with cakes because I love that photo, and that is a self-portrait that I did for a photography challenge that we did during the lockdowns together with my husband and my beautiful bonus daughter, just to keep ourselves creative and entertained. And if you look at the photos, my left hand is actually touching the laptop, and that's how I took the photo. I connected my camera at the end of the table, which was connected to my laptop, and I pressed the button on the laptop to turn on the camera, and that's how I did the photo. And that was a Mad Hatter tea party, hence the reason why I wrote tea party. And also it's just, as you can see, it's full of cakes and stuff, and I absolutely love that photos because one of the things I'm obsessed with cakes. And I tried to laminate it. It didn't quite work. It actually looks alright on the video, but yeah, it's all lumpy and bumpy. But the first time didn't work with the vinyl, so I tried with the sellotape. No, it didn't work. The first prompt of the book. Oh, now this is getting real. It's getting proper real. And the prompt was create clouds. Look out your window and draw the clouds you see. But instead I just drew what I wanted to see, which is a lot of unicorn playing with clouds. And I think they turned up really, really cute. Trying to fill the page though was a little bit challenging, so then I decided to just do bubbles for no apparent reasons, because yeah, clearly in the sky you do see bubbles. Well, I do. And yeah, I just wanted to make it very playful, and I hope I've achieved that. The next prompt from the book is create fear. Draw the most terrifying monster you can come up with. Well, I don't draw monsters. It just doesn't come naturally for me. I can't do scary things. They would just look cute and that's the end of it. So I took it a little bit literal and I drew fear from inside out. And the reason why I drew fear is because we're all scared, and including me, I'm terrified of blank pages and I never know what to do. And also, we're always scared of like just throwing ourselves into it. And that's why I drew it with the pen. I went for it and I thought, oh, okay, I'm going to use a reference and just drew it with the pen. So there's no going back. And I'm going to try to use the pen to just make it as matching to the reference as possible. I don't know, I'm waffling on at the moment. I often draw with a pen because I absolutely love it, although it's a little bit terrified because there's no going back with a pen and you just have to go for it and just not hope for the best, but do your best. Do your best, and by doing this is an exercise that is going to make you grow and you will get better at it. And I always draw with a pen because I like to doodle. As I said, I like to doodle when I'm sitting on the sofa, I'm relaxing, I'm chilling, or I'm talking on the phone. And the pen is always something that I've got to hand. And then I decided to just cut it roughly because if it didn't fit in the book, as you can see. And then, yeah, I just use those crayons. They're really, really cool because they are waxy, but they're also watercolor. I didn't do a great job, but it was enough. It was going to be covered mostly by the drawing anyway. And then you will see that I did mess it up because, yeah, there we go. I didn't realize there was a little bit of water. But I thought, you know what? I don't care. I'm still going to leave it in the book. And then, obviously, I had to draw a unicorn on the other side. Just because. Yay, I feel like I've done quite a bit on this video. Oh my God, but let's have a look at it. So I finished where I left off on my previous video. And what I would like to achieve, most of the pages, I would like them to be like this, pretty full. And yeah, I love this phrase. I saw it and I just couldn't help it. It had to be in here. And then create this book 3, and it's by Moriah Elizabeth, and the Italian makes it, aka Connie, aka me. And as I said, this is unapologetically me because look, I am not good at laminating the pages, but I wanted to protect them because these are like, these crayons are really waxy. They are brilliant, but they're really waxy and they were starting to spread the love everywhere. So it was getting a bit filthy. So yeah, and I've done like this page, and I am really happy on how this turned up. And as I said, there's going to be unicorns pretty much everywhere. So if you're unicorn fan, give me the thumbs up, subscribe. But even if you're not, if you liked it and you enjoyed it, subscribe. And then, ta-da! Fear. Oh my God, like create fear. That was challenging for me. But I did it and I hope you enjoyed it. And as you can see, there's my mark on it because I can't make something and leave it squeaky clean. I've got to mess it up somehow. But there we go. There's a lot more pages to go. And as I said, I have got plenty of sketches that I can get on with. It's just about the time to sit down and do it. But I so enjoy doing this and just being here and just relaxing and doing and drawing. It's been amazing. And yeah, using all different kind of colors has been great. So as I said, I'm going to do this book on a regular basis. So make sure you give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, hit the bell for all of the notifications, so then you can see when the next video is going to be out. But I really hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Take care for now. Bye bye.